Unidentified heavily armed men suspected to be militants reportedly launched an attack on the camp of 19 Assam Rifles located at Shelon village of Chandal district in Manipur in the wee hours today. No casualties were reported. Details are awaited. Meanwhile, a combined team of Imphalist Commando and 26 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of the proscribed UNLF during counter-insurgency operation at Thambalnu market in Yaripok last afternoon, a police report said today. Ahead of Sangai Festival, the Manipur police this morning carried out a massive house-to-house search operation at Imphal East Mahabali Kabuikul, during which 250 residents were verified. A team of Imphal West police also conducted cordon and search operation in and around Polo Ground and Alugali in Imphal city early this morning. In the meantime, a team of Visnupur District Police Commando conducted cordon and search operations at Kaibul Lamjau, Mathak Mayum Lairak, Bamon Lairak and Haigal Lairak early this morning. The corps picked up 6 persons, including 1 cadre each of the proscribed Pre-Park and UNLF, who are currently on bail, a report said. The Kuki Women Union and Human Rights More celebrated its Silver Jubilee today at the campus of Hill Tribal Council, More. Chinekha Haukip unveiled a memorial stone of the Silver Jubilee on the occasion. 6 different social organizations of Palel area today held an alert protest at Palel Market Complex. The protest was organized against any potential threat to the Manipur integrity due to the Indo-Naga peace talks. District Legal Services Authority Thoubal, under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority today, organized a one-day legal literacy program cum quiz competition at Martin Grammar School, Kakching today. The event was attended by Judge of Family Court Thoubal, Salam Imocha as chief guest. More Drivers Union More to Imphal repaired Lokchau Bridge along Imphal More Road, which is one of the important bridges of the national highway connecting Manipur. The union took up the initiative considering the pathetic condition of the wooden bridge, which poses a serious threat to the travelers. Senior leaders of the Congress is meeting in New Delhi on Thursday over the issue of government formation in Maharashtra after a series of talks with the Nationalist Congress Party (NCP) and Shiv Sena to thrash out the contours of the power sharing in the politically crucial western state on Wednesday. The Indigenous Nationalist Party of Tripura (INPT) announced rail and national highway blockade in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB). According to media reports, the Indigenous Nationalist Party of Tripura (INPT) General Secretary Jagadish Dev Barma said they will block a railway line and national highway on December 5 to protest against CAB. Notably, INPT is a regional and tribal-based party of Tripura, and they are protesting CAB from last year. Young shooting sensation Manu Bhaker scripted history at 2019 ISSF World Cup as she bagged India's first gold medal at the tournament this year in women's 10-meter air pistol. On course to her triumph, Manu Bhaker broke the junior world record with her total of 244.7, a media report said. The Indian women's cricket team completed a 5-0 series whitewash over the West Indies after half-centuries from Veda Krishnamurthy and Zemima Rodriguez, complemented by the bowlers' clinical show, steered the side to a 61-run triumph in the 5th and final T20 International at Guyana, West Indies, as per media reports.